blood, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance?
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I thought I'd share with you how I do my pin curls. So I just start off by heating up my curling tongs to 200 degrees. Whilst my curling tongs are warming up, I'll just take a paddle brush and brush through my hair just to get rid of any knots. Then I'll just start off by sectioning my hair, doing half up and half down just so that it makes it easier for me to curl. So once I've finished putting my hair up, I'll then take a heat protectant spray and spraying that all over my hair. I'll then take a small section of hair and then start curling away from the barrel. So once the curl is wrapped all the way around the barrel, I'll then wait for 30 seconds until I release the curl. As you can see, I start combing my hair through with my fingers, and then I'll slowly start wrapping the hair around my fingers until it goes all the way up to the top. So then I'll just grab a small metal clip just to secure the curl in place, and once that's done I can then finish off the rest of my head. Once the first layer of curls is done, I'll then move on to the second layer, but I do make sure to take two sections for my fringe and pin them up just because I'll be curling them differently at the end. So for my fringe, just like all the other curls, I tend to curl away from the barrel, and then instead of pinning these curls up, I tend to just slide a clip in and not wrap it around my finger. I tend to do this just so that the curls at the front will be more softer, and it also shapes my face a little bit better. I'll then take some hairspray and just spray it all over the curls so that they can cool and set in place. I'll then wait 10 to 15 minutes before I start taking out the curls. As you can see, once I've taken out all of the clips, the curls are really tight and bouncy, so I'll just take my paddle brush again and brush through all of the curls. Just to make sure that the ends aren't dry, I'll take a pea-sized amount of argan oil and rub that through the ends of the curls. So that's the end of my pin curl tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit.